Your phone is slow, apps are lagging, scrolling feels stuck, and everything takes forever to open? Don't worry, you're not alone, and you don't need any expensive apps or tools to fix it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your phone up to 2x faster in just 2 minutes using simple settings tweaks that anyone can do. These changes are safe, easy, and can instantly improve your phone's performance. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Scroll down and find About Phone. Inside it, look for Build Number. Tap it around 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Mode has been enabled. Now go back to Settings and open Developer Options. Scroll down carefully until you reach the Drawing section. Here you will see 3 important settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Tap each one and change the value from 1 to 0.5x or set them to off for maximum speed. This step reduces unnecessary animations, making your phone feel much faster and more responsive. Next, return to Settings and open the Apps section. Look for heavy apps like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or games that use a lot of memory. Open each one, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary junk files that slow down performance without deleting your personal data. Now go back and open Device Care or Device Maintenance. Tap on Storage, then open the Recycle Bin or Trash section. Delete all unnecessary files to free up storage space and reduce lag. After that, return to Settings and open Battery Settings. If Power Saving Mode is enabled, turn it off because it can limit your phone's full performance and reduce speed. Finally, go to Display Settings and find Motion Smoothness. Set it to the highest option available, such as 120 Hz, for smoother scrolling, better animations, and improved responsiveness. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with another powerful fix.